Ever wondered how to access unlimited leads without ever running out? What if I told you that finding them isn't the biggest challenge, but managing them effectively is? Today, I'll show you how to harness the full potential of Apollo.io using our Google Chrome extension, Apollo Easy Scraper, to capture endless email addresses effortlessly. Let's dive into the setup. Navigate to Apollo.io and click on the search bar. Ensure you have the correct layout by clicking the eye icon to either select an existing layout or create a new one tailored for your needs. Once you're in the layout editor, select the fields relevant to your lead data. Include email addresses, phone numbers, and any other vital information. More comprehensive data means better lead opportunities. Now, input keywords relevant to your target audience like digital marketing and set the location to, say, India. Adjust other filters to fine-tune your search, ensuring you capture the most relevant leads. Although Apollo.io may lock visibility of email addresses initially, you can unlock this by selecting all leads and adding them to a new list. If you haven't yet created a list, simply name a new one and add your selected leads. With your leads now in a list, it's time to let Apollo Easy Scraper do its magic. Open the list and activate the extension. It will automatically scrape available email addresses, phone numbers, and other contact details from the page. Once the scrape is complete, you can download all the collected data in a CSV file. This file will include names, companies, locations, and other vital lead information. Congratulations! You now know how to set up and use Apollo.io with our Apollo Easy Scraper to gather unlimited leads. Imagine the potential now at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our powerful tips. Got questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out.